Hunter, and thank you for answering Hyperion's summons. Unfortunately, the Helios space station is currently under attack by insane Dawn military forces. Please take this Echo device. Now follow me. I can take you to your contractor liaison. Meet Rocket. Randy could have used some work, but A for effort. Sorry about the mess. Things got really hairy once the Legion attack.
Claptrap, start boot up sequence.
Directive 1, protect humanity. Here, let me open this door. Open for me, oh door. Jack's just around the corner. Let's go. The Lost Legion are really making a mess of this place.
Covering fire!
Both hunters sighted! Wipe them out!
Save me!
Come there, Ori! I'm exposed!
Legion must have killed this one. People think robots can't feel pain, but we actually feel it in slow motion, with great intensity. This robot died in horrific agony.
Get him!
That Claptrap died?
Oh, the Legion!
That's awesome! Hey, you the bolt hunters I hired?
Experimental prototype FR4 GTP, reporting for duty.
Oh, it's the worst day ever.
Help! Lots of help! I got no idea who these asshole troops are or why they got a murder on for this space station, but they got me pinned!
Forward! Come out! Right!
Attention, Hyperion. Your Helios space station now belongs to the Lost Legion. Surrender before it is too late.
Colonel and Legion! Hyperion!
Hey, could you help me up?
Gonna make it. For the page. Come on!
Or, you wanna wait? You're busy? That's cool. I'll just bleed over here internally for a while. Holy crap! You saved my life. Thank you. Sorry. Heart's pounding. Never been shot at before. Kind of fun, actually. Look, these crazy bastards attacked Helios Station right after I sent for you guys. If we can drive them off, we'll be free to go after that fault on the moon's surface. Alright, looks like you got a shield. Pretty self-explanatory, really. It'll leave bullets until it depletes. When it does, you gotta hide and give it time to recharge. Hey, just let me activate the defense controls. A few seconds, we'll have turrets, force fields, laser wires. These assholes won't know what hit them.
Critical failure. Helios defense systems are being jammed.
What? How?
Jamming signal originates from Elpis, Pandora's moon. Caution.
Oh crap, kill the turrets, kill the turrets!
gets better and better. All right, plan B. If we can't take Helios back,
We need to evacuate. Escape ships are this way.
We must take this ground.
Who's she? She seems angry.
She leads these jackasses, I think? I don't know, but the first person to shoot her in the head gets a high five in a turbo mansion.
all right, let me get this door. The escape ships are nearby.
Huh? Ow.
Oh, son of a Dane.
Hey, it's that Colonel! Execute plan to shoot that chick in the head!
Hello, Jack.
Okay, that's unnerving. Run! Oh, perfect. She destroyed the ships. We gotta find another way out the station.
What the heck was that creature?
No idea, but I get the feeling it could kill us with the brain, so, keep running.
Jack, what the hell is going on? I'm getting reports of alarms all across Helios.
Nothing, sir. Nothing. Everything's fine. Just, one of the Claptrap units tried to French kiss the light socket, sir.
Need I remind you that you are there to observe Pandora, nothing more. If you incur any damages to the Helios space station, I will personally...
Sorry, sir. We're losing connection. Asshole.
What?
I called you an asshole because I thought I'd hung up. My bad.
We will speak again, John.
There's
Elpis. That friggin' jamming signal is somewhere down on that cracked rock, messing up all the cool security stuff up here. Son of a Kate! What the hell are you attacking us, you dicks?
I want this station and I want to save the universe.
What the hell's that supposed to mean?
Yeah! Better lucky than good!
Maniacs doing? You don't even have a real military up here. They're just murdering workers. And
Us, if we don't move it.
okay, well, I've got a stupid idea. We're gonna head to that moonshot cannon. Follow me.
You mentioned a moonshot cannon?
Basically a huge gun that shoots supplies down to the moon's surface like at about 1,000 miles an hour. We're gonna get in one of those containers and escape that way.
Is that gonna kill us?
I don't know. Be a pretty cool way to die though, huh?
Take that! I feel complete! That's weird! It's like a box of chocolate! Oh god, I can't stop!
No idea why these doll guys want Jack dead. I have suspicions. Money, revenge, that's it.
good if I needed a reason out here.
Be cleansed with heat!
Kill that guy, I guess? Son of a king!
Burn!
I have an idea! Don't look for the terror trap! Scarier than a pumpkin! It's happening! It's happening! Don't ask me where the dead will turn from! I didn't panic! Nope, not me!
Man, that guy really likes fire. Elevator's over there.
This is kind of lucky. Yeah, our story just began with us getting off the bus. This sounds all explosive and stuff.
Stop complimenting the prisoner.
We can get to the moonshot up there. Let me get the elevator. Damn it, something's jamming the elevator up there. Gotta figure something out. All right, weird idea. Let me work the loading terminal. All right, you get to the moon. Watch your step. That'll be a hell of a fall.
I will do my best to not fall to my death. I am inside the moonshot shell.
Hold on, I'm gonna spin the cylinder. Did you make it up there? Free up the elevator so I can join you. Yeesh, you got wedged in tight. No big deal though, they can't feel pain. Just bash them out of there. Oh, these loaders bum me out. It's no wonder Dahl took us over so easily. I need more soldiers. Badasses, like you.
Feeling overburdened by money.
We made it. We just gotta get into a moonshot.
Fleet of Hyperion shall not...
Well, this sucks!
Great. Alright, that's twice you've saved my life. Now we just gotta... Oh, for what? The auto shock controls are damaged. Someone's gotta stay back and launch the pods manually. I'd suggest the Claptrap, but I need you down there and help us finding a way to save this place. God, I can't believe I just said that.
I probably won't let you down.
Alright, new plan. I'll stay behind. I need you down on the moon. You gotta find that jamming signal and shut it down. Otherwise, we'll never get control of the moon base.
We can kiss that vault goodbye.
Are you sure about this plan, Jack? It may result in your horrible dismemberment.
Now you saved my life a couple of times, I'm repaying the favor. Besides, I'm a hero, baby. Self-sacrifice is part of the job. Oh, good, a health
Machine. I had one put in here after a worker had an accident and lost his torso. Better heal up before your trip down to the moon. Might want to grab some ammo too. Supplies over here. We need to get a moonshot container up here.
Normally we'd load some supplies, but this time, really cargo.
Keep you alive.
Claptrap, start boot up sequence.
Directive 1, protect humanity. Directive 2, obey Jack at all costs. Directive 3, dance.
No.
Okay, this container ought to do the trick.
Cool, I'm closing the container. Watch your limbs. Loading you into the delivery chamber. This is gonna be loud. It's slightly awesome.
You're telling me Jack, handsome Jack, the guy who murdered my boyfriend, stayed behind while you escaped?
Like hell.
Whether his decision was heroic or purely strategic, I can't say. But if Jack hadn't stayed behind to eject the pod, I might well have died on Helios.
Your story is making Handsome Jack kind of sympathetic. I hate it.
All right, we're ready to fire. Whenever you're ready, I'll shoot you to Concordia. It's the biggest town on Elpis. I know someone there who can help you find that jamming signal.